Guys, we must have put the phone on the charge, but is this the right way to put the phone on the charge? And as soon as we put the phone on the charge, we just want that our phone gets charged with water, but ultimately, what is the right way? So guys, you will get all the answers for this. Stay connected with On Talk, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. So guys, let's talk about what is the right way to put the phone on charge. You must have seen many people putting the charger crookedly in the socket, and by doing this people say that the phone gets charged quickly, so how much truth is there in this? Let us know that today's mobile chargers are very fast, and they charge our phones very quickly. But all these chargers have only one problem, which is that all these chargers require no battery to charge the phone. There is a need for current in any spark and uniform flow. Usually, when we use the charger daily, it creates a small gap between the socket and the charger.